第9條咧就問分類嘅，咁下面 A、B、C 得邊一個係一個最佳嘅原因啦？就將一啲單細胞嘅生物咧就分類成為真細菌同埋古細菌嘅。咁其實成個分類系統咧，我哋係根據翻親緣關係咧去理解嘅，所以啦，我哋就一定要知道翻究竟親緣關係係代表住咩意思。咁科學家咧就認為啦，親緣關係越近嘅生物咧，其實啦佢哋應該係會少一啲嘅氨基酸嘅分別嘅，從而咧喺佢哋之間咧亦都係產生少一啲嘅突變，所以佢哋嘅 DNA 咧應該係非常之相像嘅。所以喺分類嗰課咧，我哋都有學到嘅所謂比較生物學啦，就係比較翻啲生物之間嘅氨基酸嘅排列啦，同埋一個 base 嘅排列啦，就係判斷翻究竟佢哋咧嘅相似程度究竟大唔大，佢哋嘅親緣關係究竟高唔高。咁所以啦 A、B、D 咧其實係唔能夠反映到個親緣關係嘅。A 就話咧古細菌比真細菌咧係更加古舊啊，呢個純粹係個出現嘅時間啫，係幫助唔到我哋咧去訂立個親緣關係嘅。第二啦就係話大與細，咁有冇講到 DNA 嗰啲分別？有冇講到 amino acid 嘅分別咧？真係冇講到嘅。而 C 咧就已經有講到啦，就係個古細菌嘅 DNA sequence 咧係同一個真細菌咧係非常之唔同嘅。跟住去到 D 咧就話古細菌相比喺真細菌咧，佢哋嗰個細胞壁啊、細胞膜啊都係好唔同嘅。咁呢個咧就係集中去講翻咧個細胞結構，但係又唔係講緊 DNA sequence 嚟嘅，咁所以咧都係錯。Question 9 is about the classification. So which of the following statement provide the best reason for classifying unicellular organism into the domain bacteria and archaeobacteria? So for this question, we need to know that the classification system, it can show the phylogenetic relationship between the organism. So we need to realize the importance of a phylogenetic relationship in the classification system. The scientists, they think that the fewer the difference in the amino acid sequence in the same type of protein or different species, so the fewer the mutation which have occurred and the closer the phylogenetic relationship between the species. So in the comparative studies, we can examine and compare the amino acid sequence in protein and the base sequence of the DNA between different species to show that a high degree of the similarity is found in more closely related species. So that's why for the options A, B, D, they do not show the phylogenetic relationship. Option A, archaea are more ancient than the bacteria. It just shows the time of existence. It cannot tell us the DNA sequence or the amino acid sequence. So for the option B, archaea are smaller than the bacteria. So it just shows the size difference between the archaeobacteria and the eubacteria. And for option C, it is the answer. The DNA sequence of the archaeobacteria are distinct from those of the bacteria. It shows that they are far away from each other. They are not close related to each other. And for option D, the composition of the cell wall and cell membrane of the archaeobacteria are different from those of the eubacteria. It's just focused on the cellular structures, but not the DNA sequence, but not the amino acid sequence in the protein. So that's why it cannot show you the phylogenetic relationship between these two organisms.